Here's a powerful addition to HubSpot's workflow editor that will allow you to manage, optimize, and troubleshoot your workflows effectively. After turning on a workflow, you can view the enrollment history in the workflow editor to see the path that an enrollment has followed. With this interactive workflow diagram in the picture, you can better visualize every step an enrollment takes through the workflow, negating the need to piece together data from action logs and version history. Here I have an enables workflow to send series of emails once a form is submitted. In this, in if I want to see the enrollment history, all I have to do is click on View, then Enrollment History, and in this panel here, I can choose any enrollment, and then this diagram will highlight what happened to that enrollment. So if I click this, so I can see what path did it follow, which endpoint did it reach, what happened to that enrollment in BASIC. So also, if you click on any of the highlighted steps over here, you can see the log details along with the timestamps. So to discuss some use case scenarios where this feature would help, if your marketing notices that some contacts are not receiving follow-up emails as expected, they can quickly identify where the error occurred by tracking the red highlighted steps, which I can show you in another enrollment, which is right here. So see, it was green here and then red highlighted over here, which shows that the email was not sent because the contact previously unsubscribed to this subscription. Another thing to note is that the detailed explanations and the visual representation also serves as an excellent training tool to help team members who are relatively new to workflows to manage and understand the structure, the criteria for each step, making the learning process more intuitive. So if you're a pro or enterprise user of HubSpot, you should definitely check out this feature as it is alive. And we would love to hear how you think this addition to the workflow tool will be helpful in your operations. Thank you for watching.